In this tutorial, we'll prepare the source materials for your knowledge base. We'll explain which materials should be added, how to avoid outdated or conflicting content, and how to structure sources before customer traffic arrives. Start by opening the Knowledge Base section. This is where Specteron stores the information that your AI agent will use to answer customer questions. The first step is choosing approved sources. Only add materials that are correct, up-to-date, and safe to show to customers. Good sources include public website pages, product documentation, support articles, FAQs, pricing information, and official company instructions. Next, check for duplicated content. If the same information exists in multiple places, choose the clearest and most updated version. This helps keep the knowledge base clean and easier to maintain. The knowledge base should match the scope of the AI agent. If the agent is focused on basic support, add sources related to support questions, common issues, and customer help. Do not add unrelated materials too early. Before moving forward, review the sources one more time. Check that they are approved, current, not duplicated, not contradictory, and relevant to the agent's purpose. This completes the knowledge base preparation step. You now know how to choose approved sources, remove outdated or conflicting content, and structure knowledge before customer traffic arrives.